In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone, push, and pull with Git. We'll focus on the three core actions you'll use every day: cloning a repository to your machine, pushing your work up to the server, and pulling the latest updates down. To begin, open your browser and head to the repositories page on your hosting service. On GitHub, click the green code button and copy the repository URL. HTTPS is perfectly fine for most workflows. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. You can use your system terminal or the built-in terminal in your code editor or browser-based editor. Navigate to the folder where you want the project to live. Now run git clone, followed by the URL you just copied. For example, git clone your repo URL. When this finishes, Git creates a new folder named after the repository, downloads all files, and sets up a remote connection called origin that points back to the server. Change into the new folder so you're working inside the project. Let's talk about sending your changes with a push. Make an edit or add a new file in the project. In the terminal, check your status to see what changed by running git status. Stage your changes with git add. To include everything you modified, then commit them with a message that explains what you did. For example, git commit add feature or fix. To publish your commit online, push it with Git Push origin main. If your branch isn't named main, replace main with your current branch name. You can confirm your branch with git branch show current. Now, getting updates from others is just as important. Before you start work, or whenever you want to sync, run Git Pull origin main. This fetches the latest commits from the server and merges them into your local branch. If there are no conflicts, you're done. If Git reports a conflict, open the files it mentions, resolve the highlighted sections, then add and commit to complete the merge. A quick note for those using the browser-based editor at github.dev or a similar environment. Open the terminal panel there and run the exact same commands. The workflow is identical: clone, edit, add, commit, push, and pull, just inside the browser. As a final tip, run git status often. It clearly tells you what's changed, what's staged, and which branch you're on. That small habit prevents most mistakes. And that's it. Clone brings the project to you, push sends your commits up, and pull brings everyone else's work down.